Here's a math equation for you. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Yeah, some of you know that as the Pythagorean theorem, and it's a well-known geometric equation that the sum of the squares on the legs of a right triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle. Or how about E equals mc squared? Many of us know this as Einstein's theory of relativity that expresses the fact that mass and energy are the same physical entity and can be changed into each other. Well, how about this one? My performance plus the opinions of others equals Satan's formula for self-worth. Did you catch that? Satan's formula for your self-worth is equal to what you've done plus what others say about you. Now, if we honestly lived by that and bought into that lie, then there's no point in even going on. I mean, why bother? Because I don't know about you, but I know that I've messed up before, like a lot. As in, my past is a mess and sometimes so is my present. And I also know that there are plenty of people who would love to tell you why I'm no good, why I'm a bad person. And if I let those two things determine my self-worth, then I would feel absolutely worth less. But you know what the good news is? The best news of all is that because of what Jesus did on the cross and my acceptance of it, that my past isn't just in the past, it's gone forever. He removed my shame and my guilt. And sure, there's still plenty of people that would love to criticize me or complain about me, but now that I understand what Jesus did for me, His voice is the only one that matters. His voice drowns out all the haters. And He says, I'm loved, I'm forgiven, I'm chosen, I'm called, I'm accepted. He says I'm worth dying for. And so while Satan's formula for self-worth equals your performance plus the opinions of others, that only leads to destruction. But God's formula for self-worth equals what He says about you. And that leads to life and hope and healing.